Acumatica's Amazon Connector is your ticket to streamlining business processes while expanding your reach through Amazon. This powerful app natively connects to Amazon Seller Central for Fulfilled by Amazon and Fulfilled by Merchant orders, giving you a holistic business suite with Acumatica order processing, inventory tracking, warehouse management, accounting, and more. Say goodbye to manual tasks. Automate Amazon data synchronization with Acumatica. Import orders and synchronize inventory levels and shipment tracking details. You can even capture storage, subscription, and other non-order specific fees from Amazon for financial reporting. Let's look at the Fulfilled by Merchant or FBM order process. When customers order on Amazon, their orders are seamlessly imported into Acumatica as sales orders. You can quickly create a shipment and coordinate with your warehouse team to pick, pack, and ship the items. Acumatica syncs carrier details and shipment tracking numbers back to Amazon. Amazon payments appear in Acumatica for invoice application, and updated stock levels are harmonized on both platforms. Here's a real-life scenario. First, the customer places and pays for an order on Amazon. The scheduled data sync pulls the order into Acumatica as a sales order. You may choose different sales order types for Amazon orders for reporting or tailored workflows. You can see item details for the order, as well as sales tax, freight charges, and the ship-to address from Amazon. From here, a shipment may be created manually or automatically with business events. The order is now ready for warehouse workers to pick and pack the items for the shipment. Acumatica supports carrier freight rate shopping from the sales order. Shipment tracking numbers and details are pushed back to Amazon. This completes the Amazon shipment process, triggering a payment record in Acumatica. The payment is applied to the corresponding invoice, marking it as closed. Payments may include both customer charges and Amazon fees, as mentioned previously. Now let's look at the Fulfilled by Amazon or FBA order process. Once Amazon ships an order, the connector creates a corresponding invoice in Acumatica. No shipments are required in the accounting system. Payments flow seamlessly into Acumatica for reconciliation, allowing your finance team to focus on strategic insights, not manual entry. Digital native merchants, progressive distributors, and direct-to-consumer manufacturers supercharge Amazon sales with Acumatica. Seamlessly connect Amazon with your back-office operations, ensuring accurate and automated data synchronization, smooth financial reconciliation, and effortless inventory management. Ready to transform your sales process into a world-class customer experience? Contact us today to learn more.